Hi, we are here at the supermarket. We're gonna cook our nice host Ryo-san and Shu a meal. We're gonna make some we're gonna make some paella for them using Japanese seafood. Very excited. We got the one on sale lah because they are too fresh to be wasted on the paella. So I'm getting those on sale one. Yeah, very excited. Hi, we're making lopo cow and paella. So this daikon is the one I plucked out the other day from the ground a few days ago. We don't have a grater, so we are chopping by hand. Fingers crossed, turns out okay because we're using all local Japanese flour. No idea what's their gluten level and stuff like that. Fingers crossed. We have some anchovies, some sakura ebi, some shiitake mushrooms for local Japanese style for the local cow. Very excited.
The rice flour.
Look at the color. Look at the color of the sofrito. The damn tomatoes.
Chef Kenneth in the house.
I hope it's good. The pepper is very strong. The pepper is very good.
Delicious pepper.
Very good pepper. Okay. For hosting us. Please enjoy. Rocha, best host. Ichiban host. Ichiban host.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, paella. Spanish, first time you try, huh?
Yeah, obviously. Oh, got chao bits. Go and eat, okay?
Okay.
We have finished our dinner. It was a good dinner. It was yummy. We have some very amazing ichigos. Nihon no ichigo. So sweet. I just gobbled up so many.
It's new.
So good.
Okay, tomorrow we wake up at 7 a.m.
Kenneth will wake up
Make
soon.
miso. With real sun
Miso
sensei.
sensei
Sensei. Soon coming to Singapore soon.
to teach all the obasa.
Wait,
Watch out for him.
Yes. Stay tuned for his miso class in Singapore.
I am miso teacher.
Yay!
Original from Japan, only speak Japanese. Bring your own translator.
Morning. It's the last day here. We're now gonna make some miso with the miso sensei. And fresh koji.
Yeah, koji.
I'm making miso. Miso sensei. Look. Hey, we have miso. We have miso, soybean, and koji.
What's going on, Kenneth?
Finishing touches to the 3 tubs of miso we'll bring back. Adding a bit of salt to make sure that the mold doesn't grow.
Unagi.
Yes.
I'm very excited.
The secretive spot.
Secretive spot.
It's not the
It's a
popular one.
secretive spot.
It's a local spot.
Local
So
spot.
excited.
And it's all because we have our Koji sensei with us. Woohoo!
Waiting for our unagi at Idibashi. It's a bit cold. A bit cold. Separate and then with the bento and no tare sauce.
No tare sauce.
Yes. The tare sauce.
Okay, sashimi. Oh, it's good.
Okay, we're here at the unagi shop. Oh. The tare sauce. So, this is to use Liver.
River.
Use liver. Oh my god, what a meal! So good. The fish is so soft. The tarise is so nice.
Unagi of my dreams.
The sancho pepper is so nice.
Yes.
There's a small little
Even
quaint
the
little
soup-
place.
Even the soup that came with it was really good.
It was very nice. Very
It was
good
very
recommendations. And
Very,
we have
very
no idea where we are.
We have no clue. No
Somewhere in Narita.
clue. Somewhere.
And okay, now we're going to Sando town, the old part of Narita.
Yeah, our last part of our
The
trip.
host is really spoiling us.
He really is.
He's really spoiling
How are
us.
we going to reciprocate?
I don't know. I know where the hell do I bring him to Singapore? From Sengkang Central to Fernvale. Okay, let's go. Okay, we are in Narita Santo.
Yeah,
in Old
Narita
Town.
Sando.
Here.
Welcome.
We're gonna take a walk and have some snacks. An hour before our flight. Hey.
Rice cracker.
Oh, spicy
Very
rice
sweet.
cracker. That Narita is famous for unagi. I didn't know that. So we're walking on the old streets and we're seeing so many unagi shops around,
Yeah.
which explains why they brought us to eat unagi in the first place. Yeah, I guess it's because it's the mountainous region with the river. Hey, see another unagi shop. So many unagi shops here.
Oh.
Narita unagi. Who have known? And now,
I knew.
you know, man? Okay, we're now walking towards the temple.
Temple, yeah.
Last hour before we leave Japan.
Sad.
We just ate a couple of snacks along the streets and everything tasted sublime. Like what is wrong with this country? Why is everything taste so good? Immaculate and perfect. We are here having a Amazake over Singapore. Just next to the temple. How is that? Okay, we're having a Amazake here by the temple of Narita-san. You see it? It tastes like barley for some weird reason. So different from my Amazake. He has a rice, very strong rice notes.
麹じゃなくて砂糖。麹はわかる。
But it has a barley notes as well. So good. So good. The charcoal fire. I walked past a store that is an old man. There's a charcoal fire in the middle, grilling mochi. I cannot resist myself. And I got this mochi grilled freshly off the. It's like a Japanese marshmallow. Apparently the green one is made of some Japanese herb. I didn't know that. I always thought it was matcha. Look at that. It almost has a bread-like texture.
Everybody.
いやー、楽しかった楽しかった。
To Singapore. What a wonderful trip today. This trip is.
Yes.
We have no expectation, but it exceeded all expectations. Who had thought that Shuin's boyfriend is a koji master?
Koji sensei. We didn't even know.
Koji sensei, he makes everything from scratch.
Literally
He has
didn't know.
access to a koji factory.
So he's a
Wow.
miso. He's fermenting his miso for 2 years.
Yeah, it's so amazing. And we're so blessed to go to all these very nice local
Yeah.
places.
That gaijins do not know.
Yeah, Chiba. Chiba is so nice.
Chiba is so nice.
Also because the local bring us around.
Yeah lah, that's true.
Yeah, and it was so fun. We had a very fun local wedding. That was
Yes,
that
that
was so
really
fun.
fun.
And then we went to
Yeah, this trip is so fun now.
This trip is very fun. The most local experience trip ever.
And really fun.
Alright, thanks Hiro-san, thanks Shu.
Thank you.
We'll see you in Singapore.
See you.
Jamata.